various things from the motherboard. It's actually quite a neat design in this case, because you've got a metal base on which the motherboard sits, so this whole panel comes off complete with the motherboard attached to it, which is quite neat. There's only 2 screws holding it in. So hopefully, with this one out, we get a fully detached motherboard, complete with everything else. Absolutely choked with dust, because it's been running for quite a while. And we want the hard drive out of here, so let's get that out. So this case now is redundant.